How to fix corrupted files in Windows 11. Is your Windows 11 PC acting slow, throwing weird errors, or crashing? It's likely corrupted system files. Step 1.
Fix Windows image files.
Click the search bar. Type CMD. Right-click it. Click as an administrator. Click Yes button. Type this command, DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. Press the Enter key. This pulls fresh files from Microsoft to fix your base system. Step 2. SFC Scan. Type SFC/Scannow. Press the Enter key. This tool checks every single system file against that healthy image we just repaired. If it finds a broken one, it swaps it out instantly. Step 3. Fixing disk errors. If you still have issues, it might be your hard drive. Type chkdsk/c/f/r. Press the Enter key. Press Y, press the Enter key, and restart your computer. Windows will scan your physical drive for errors during boot. Conclusion. And that's it. Your system should now be stable. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes. See you in the next one.